Hello, my name is Gene Pledger. I'm the CSCP and CPIM instructor for the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga's Center for Professional Education. For a decade and a half, I've navigated the complexities of the supply chain industry, and I wish I'd discovered the potential of ASCM supply chain certifications in accelerating my career progression earlier. What I found is the shared learning experience within a classroom setting compared to self-study is especially advantageous, allowing you exposure to seasoned professionals as well as insights from your peers. So I'd like to invite you to UTC's virtual ASCM exam prep courses open house to learn more about how CSCP, CPIM, and CLTD certifications can help you reach your next steps in your supply chain career. And as a bonus, one lucky student will win a free seat in the fall 2023 supply chain course of their choice. So I hope you can join us on Tuesday, July 18th from 12 noon to 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, Tuesday, July 18th from 12 noon to 12:45 Eastern Standard Time. And you can register at utc.edu/SC event. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.